Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to view the graphics card in Linux using some options. Chapter 1. Check graphics card Linux using LSPCI. To start, open the terminal in Linux. Now let's run the command sudo update-pciids. This will update that plugin. Next, list the properties of the peripherals. For this, use the command sudo LSPCI-v vertical bar less. Then press the Enter key. Here, find the VGA section with the graphics card details. Chapter 2. Check graphics card Linux using LSHW. To begin, open the Linux terminal. After this, run the command sudo LSHW-numeric-C display. Now you will see all the details of the graphics card. Chapter 3. Check graphics card Linux using GLXINFO. To start, open the terminal. Now, you are going to install the utility. Here, run the command sudo apt install mesa-utils. When prompted, enter the letter Y to confirm. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Now, list the graphics card properties. Here, run the command GLXINFO-b uppercase vertical bar less. Chapter 4. Check graphics card Linux from settings. To begin, click on Activities. Next, search for the word Settings. Click on Settings. After this, click on the About section. Then click on System Details. Here you will have access to the graphics card details in the Graphics section. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.